welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can send bulk WhatsApp messages for free. So to do this, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow provides official WhatsApp Business Cloud API, so the chances of your number getting blocked gets very less if you use Pabbly Chatflow. And the best part is that right now we are offering a free trial. You can click on this sign up for free button and get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow for free, and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code, which is RITYT, can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so now let's just go towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and you have to make sure that you add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you haven't added till now, you're going to get a video tutorial on how to add your WhatsApp number in the description box below. Just refer to that and add your WhatsApp number. Now from the left hand of the side, go on this broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow and then click on this add broadcast button. Just name your broadcast right over here and choose the broadcast type. So for the type, select it as broadcast campaign. For the name, I'm just going to keep the name as new offers right over here. Now let me just move on further, and over here I am just going to simply select the audience. So over here, if I want to upload a CSV file, I can go on this upload CSV file and simply upload my CSV file of all the ones to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. Apart from that, if I've already created contact list inside Pabbly Chatflow, I can select the same right over here too. If you want to learn how to create contact list, so from the left hand of the side, go on this contact section of Pabbly Chatflow, and from here you can create contact list. You can add contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn about this contact section of or any another section of Pabbly Chatflow in detail, a video tutorial is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that. After you create your contact list, you just have to select the contact list right over here. You can also select multiple contact lists according to your own choice. Apart from that, if you want to exclude some contacts, you can simply select the contact list which you want to exclude right over here. You can also select some specific contacts to whom you want to exclude and do not send this WhatsApp message. Apart from that, you can exclude the contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window too, just by simply switching on this button. Okay, now it is asking me to select the message type. So you have two options. You can select a pre-approved template message or a regular message. So if you go for a regular message, you can simply select the message type right over here and enter the message. And if you go for a pre-approved template message, from the left hand of the side, you have to go on the template and the template list section. And over here, you first have to create a template. Then you have to wait till Meta approves your template. Once your template is approved by Meta, then you can move on further and select the same template right over here. So I'm just going to select my template right over here. Let me just search for the same template, and as you can see, this is the template. So I've chosen the same. Over here, I've added a variable in this template, which is name. I want this name to be replaced with the name of my lead every time I send an automated WhatsApp message. So to do this, I'm just going to mention $name right over here. This is going to make this field as dynamic. This is only valid for name if you use $name. If you want to create more dynamic values like this, what you can do is from the left hand of the side, you can go on the settings and then contact custom field section. Over here, you can create many more dynamic values, as you can see like this. Okay, let me just move on further. If you want to learn more about this in detail, just check out the description box below. We have a settings video there. You can refer to that and learn about this contact custom fields. Okay, let me just go back towards this broadcast section. I've mentioned this $name. If you also want to just mention the name, just mention $name and you're good to go, and then click on this done button. Now message is ready. It is saying contact name and mobile number. So over here, before sending this WhatsApp message to multiple leads and customers at once, I'm just going to check it myself. I'm just going to enter my own WhatsApp name and then mobile number, and then what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to click on this send test message button and send this message to me first. So let me just open my WhatsApp, and as you can see, we have received this WhatsApp message. It looks perfectly fine. Now let me just send it to all the leads and customers. To send this message, I have two options. I can click on this no send instantly button and then add broadcast to send this instantly. If I want to schedule this for later, I can go on this yes schedule for later and choose the date and time from this calendar, and then simply schedule this message for later like this. Apart from that, if I switch on this button, what is going to happen is, let's say if you have a list of 100 of contacts and to 90 the messages sent, but to 10 the messages not sent, so you do not have to create a new broadcast for them. You can simply select the number of retries and the weight between the retries so that to send the message to those failed contacts, and then click on this add broadcast button, and yes, your broadcast is scheduled. As you can see, I scheduled this for 20th of August 5 p.m. right over here. And now once this broadcast is sent, I can go on the send section and view the stats of the broadcast. How many were sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. Like this, I can check all the data and the stats right over here. So go and try this amazing automation yourself and send bulk WhatsApp messages today, because you can send 100 WhatsApp messages for free using Pabbly Chatflow. And then if you like it, don't forget my discount coupon code, which can get you a 6% off on the subscription plan. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.